guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. So, at first you need to open here in your device the settings. Here, now you need to scroll down till you see features. Here, as you can see, we do have gesture and motion. Tap it, and now here, as you can see, we have 3-finger swipe down for a screenshot. So, have it enabled. And now the first method is to click power and volume down to make a screenshot. Simultaneously, of course, at once. And now the second one is to, as you can see, swipe down with 3 fingers on your screen. That's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.